Okay, so let's talk about that gold trade that netted us 150 pips on Friday. Everybody traded it because I also sent it to the free group. So basically, that was just a taste of how powerful the F1 strategy really is. In this video, I'm going to show you the actual entry using the F1 strategy, the targets that were so precise that we got out exactly before price reverse. The F1 strategy is available for everybody to learn it. This is what our F1 traders have to say about it. And if you want to learn it, and click the link below, get access, lifetime access, might I add, to our F1 strategy chat where we discuss all the F1 strategy setups every day. But let's go to that video because it's kind of cool. So this is gold spot, right? I am going to go on replay mode right here. This is what I was looking at when I saw that possible F1 strategy setup. So basically what I was looking at was a continuation of Thursday's rally. Remember that from the lows to the highs of the day, we saw a 2.32% move in gold. So definitely I was looking for longs and longs only, right? More so because we saw the DXY rejecting some massive levels. I'm not going to get into the US dollar. I'm just looking at gold at the moment. Beautiful setup, excellent setup on the DXY. As you can see, these bright lines at the top and at the bottom of my position calculator are the stop loss and targets that are given to you by the F1 strategy. So if you notice, this is built for you. This is already built for you. The orange lines give you the entry. The bright green lines give you the targets and the stop loss levels. Everything is built for you to just learn it and trade it and profit. So basically what you need to do, I'm not going to explain to you how it works. I'm not going to tell you which indicators I'm using because that would be counterintuitive, and there's people that have paid for the strategy that are making money with me every single day. But we use divergence to get in on the actual breakouts, right? And this was one of them. And as you can see, price perfectly just continued to hit our stop loss level. We were not in on the trade just yet. And here is when we got in on this move. Bam! And then we were already in, and just look at price hitting those targets to the upside and then reversing to our entry. But because we have those perfectly tagged targets, we anticipate our exit before the price reversal. So basically this is what we do. This is the F1 strategy. If you're interested, the link is below this video.